What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Firehawk. Check that beauty out. Spent all morning cleaning it up. Got this Fbody here, Matt's in the Titan. Today we're gonna roll to a meet. Look at that. Got it cleaning. We repping Fast Lane Pros. Yes sir, we got the stickers. We got the other sticker here. Check that out, man, does that look good. And then as well, we got the whole car stickered up on this one. Shout out to these two guys right there, especially that one. And there's Fast Lane Pros. I'm also repping the shirt from Stomped on That Loud Pedal. But we're about to go to a meet, so it's about to be some cool video, all Fbody sports gens. So, you ready? Look at this car in front of us. Holy smokes, them wheels are clean on that.
1,000 feet, turn left.
Oh man. Check. Oh, it looks so good. Oh man. Still got Matt behind us. Heck yeah. Got the camaro up there. Everybody, holy smokes, look at that black car. Woo-wee.
What's up, brother?
Okay guys, so we made it to the meet, and man, there's some cars here. Bullet WS6 is here and his WS6. But yeah, we have tons. I mean, it's a whole different game compared to the GX. But guys, check these wheels out. Oh, I'd love to have these wheels on my car. Holy, check them wheels. What wheels are those? Concept 1 wheels? Oh man. And then we also have another Trans Am. Same color as Dad's. Oh smokes. Here is another Trans Am. Race car. Full out race car. Sweet. Okay guys, so like I said, we made it to the meet. Unfortunately, we cannot film talking in the front because of copyright and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead, get some more music in here, go check out these front cars. backed out to the parking lot where the Trans Am guys aren't letting some of the older cars go in there because there's so many Fortunes. So they come out here and they start their own little meet. And there's so many cars, or not even so many, just a few good looking cars. Matt did some filming on them, so you'll probably see that, but check these out, guys. Woo-wee. Man, this Chevelle right here looks super good. Now, look at the inside, and then it has, to top it off, it has a Pro Charger. Oh, no, it's a big block. Oh man, and then you got the Edelbrock E-Force supercharged kit with the LSX 427 in it. Holy, looks good. And then we're gonna move over here to this 69 Camaro. It's got some clean seats and an LS2 in it. We're rolling out. It's about 8:45, 9 o'clock. Still a few cars here, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna roll out. Yeah, it was a great turnout. 62 cars, they said, or Fbodies at one point. So, man, that was awesome.
It was awesome. I mean, everything: Camaros, Trans Ams.
Some of the classics that were over there.
Some classic cars.
Hot rods.
Judge GTO. There was one out here.
This guy actually lives somewhat close to us.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. We can roll with him. He may be going with us tomorrow.